So this is my Hyundai Sonata 2006 and I have changed the strut of the car, and recently it's making a lot of noise. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drive and I'll show you how the sound happens. Since the strut is not good, it's making some kind of squeezing noise. Yeah, you can also listen. We are going to go over some little bit the road is not a little bit smooth, but always the front strut always making some kind of noise. You can listen. Yep, you can listen. There is some noise. Yep. Though I changed the strut, previously I had this issue, but I still have this issue after changing the strut. I don't know why this is happening. It should supposed to be there should be no noise.